In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage pop-ups and redirects in the Brave browser. Pop-ups and redirects can be useful for things like payment windows or sign-ins, but they're also commonly used for ads and unwanted pages. Brave gives you fine-grained control, so you can block them by default and still allow them on trusted sites. Let's walk through it step by step so you can set it up exactly how you want. First, open Brave and go to Settings. Click the three-line menu in the top right corner of the browser window, then choose Settings from the dropdown. This opens Brave's main settings page. On the left side, you'll see a sidebar. Click Privacy and Security. This area controls what websites can do and how Brave protects you while you browse. Next, in the main panel, click Site and Shield Settings. This is where you manage site permissions, including things like location, camera, cookies, and the pop-up controls we're looking for. Scroll down until you find the content section, then click pop-ups and redirects. This page controls whether sites can open new windows or take you to a different page without your explicit action. At the top, you'll see the global setting. To block pop-ups and redirects across all sites, make sure Don't Allow Sites to Send Pop-ups or Use Redirects is selected. This is the safest default and helps keep your browsing clean. If a specific site needs pop-ups to function, you can still allow it individually in a moment. If you truly want to allow pop-ups and redirects on every site, toggle the top option to Sites can send pop-ups and use redirects. This is generally not recommended, but it's here if you need it temporarily. For more control, use the site-specific sections below. Under Allow, click Add, type the website address you trust, and confirm. Use the full domain, like example.com, and avoid adding extra paths such as pages or queries. If the site uses subdomains, you may need to add those specifically. If a site is being annoying, add it to the Don't Allow section to block pop-ups, even if your global setting is more permissive. Exceptions always override the global setting, so you can keep the browser strict by default and make exceptions only where necessary. If you change your mind later, click the three dots next to a site and remove it. When you're done, refresh any open tabs for the changes to take effect. If pop-ups still appear, check your extensions or update Brave. That's it. You now have complete control over pop-ups and redirects in Brave.